the spider's big when you can see it from your car. I think that's a tarantula. I'm like terrified, but let's go look. Oh my God, that is so big and disgusting and cool. Oh my gosh, that is huge. Are you guys like totally grossed out like I am? Ew, I'm like worried. Oh God, I don't know if I could get closer. That took every ounce of courage I had to get even remotely close to that thing. Ew! Oh, they grossed me out. It's like so amazingly cool and disgusting at the same time. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I just got out of the shower. I took a shower at the YMCA and feels so much better. And they were able to give me a shower, like a guest pass. So this guest pass is going to be good for 7 days at all of their locations around. I've decided I'm going to donate some blood today. I'm going to hope it goes well. Last time I actually donated plasma and it didn't go so well. The machine broke partway through and then it was extremely painful when they gave me back my blood. But today there were no plasma appointments available, so I just went ahead and signed up for a normal blood donation. So we'll see how that goes. Fingers crossed it goes well. Success! Oh my gosh, that was so quick and easy. That is nothing like donating plasma. Oh my gosh, so fast. Plasma took forever. I guess that's how people wait for people here. I've never seen this before. Interesting, very interesting. Always makes me nervous. Bye. Stay right there. Don't move a muscle. Hey, there's a doppelganger in there. Solar panels and everything. That's not me though.
Please hold on. This train is departing from the 44th Street station. Passenger pickup. Waiting for some people to marshal us in.
Hi, how are you? What's going on? Okay, let's get you outside. You want to check you out further? Let's get us going.
Alright, we're coming out.
Good now. Excellent, thank you so much.
Thanks, Tom.
Nice and slow.
That was an adventure. This is so weird. I looked up and it looked like there were a ton of appointments at the DMV. I am here back in California because I needed to renew my license in person. I needed to do a vision test, and I've been dreading coming to the DMV. Never seen this many parking spaces in the middle of the day at a DMV. Less than 15 minutes from the time I walked in, since the time I took the video of the parking lot until I'm walking out. Crazy, fastest DMV experience of my life. Let's hope it was uneventful in here. Yep, just as messy as I left it. Okie doke, leaving the airport. Woo woo. It is so spectacular in here. This is the area just to the northeast of Phoenix. Do you see how magnificent that is? Whoa. So I just saw a sign that said chains or four-wheel drive required ahead. So I'm gonna hope that that sign's old and like it's cleared up and they just haven't flipped the thing back up yet. I'm gonna keep an eye on the traffic coming the other direction and see who all is coming down this hill. Oh gosh. I don't know, guys. It's getting worse and worse out here. Okay, I will say it sure is beautiful out here, though. Even if scary and treacherous, beautiful. Elevation here is 7680. Crossing over into New Mexico. Crazy. Just like that, I'm back in New Mexico. Okay, I'm gonna go check this out. I'm debating if this is a good idea or a bad idea. Let's see how bad this looks to get out. If it were to ice over, this grate might be kind of slick. There's a steep climb up here. Oh, it's really coming down. I'm gonna try and move down to the gate. Hope I can make it. It's been snowing pretty steadily and the temperature is supposed to drop tonight. I think the high tomorrow is 28, if that gives you any indication. And it's just gonna get colder. The low tomorrow is going to be single digits. I am getting a little nervous in case you can't tell, but I think it'll all work out. I'm still in bed, in case you can't tell. But I'm super warm in under my down comforter. I got the heater on. And so it's starting to warm up in here. I've been watching cars go by and I think I need to make a run for it because the cars are going like obviously slower than they otherwise would, but they are they're trucking down the street, so it's only gonna get colder the rest of the day, all the way till the night. The low today is 1. I have 11 miles to go to get over to Highway 40, and that'll, even if there's snow, that'll be plowed. Actually, maybe I'll go snuggle back in bed for a little bit, and then maybe in like 20 minutes I'm gonna get up and get ready and get out of here. So it's looking really good out there. I can see out to the road and it's clear on the roads. All right, let's go see how icy this is. That's the only concern at this point. Ooh, my door's a little frozen. Oh yeah, I think because it was so windy, it blew most of the snow away. As you can see, there are like little flurries going on right now, but super light. Yay! It's pretty crunchy. It's pretty icy, but I think I'll have enough traction. So between me and the road, this is the only part. It's very slippery. I haven't walked on this. This is probably, yeah, that's gonna be my only problem. So all of this is slick ice, but of course that side and that side aren't bad. So if I could at least get over to get a drive wheel on that side, I think I'll be fine. Oh my gosh, it is total. Okay, you know what? We'll just crawl over the sea. How about that? This is the side that was into the wind. As you can see, it's a little iced over. Let's hope this cattle grade thing goes out okay. I think it'll be fine. Easy peasy. So the road is a bit icy, but I still have really good traction. Oh cool, see that? There, you get a good view of it. That's the volcanic rock there. This whole valley. Because you already probably think I'm weird. Fun little, quote unquote fun, little game that I play while I'm traveling. Especially if I'm just taking a break from driving and I'm near a truck stop. And I'm just trying to relax for a little bit before continuing to drive. I'll look at the big rigs. Some of them have the placard, like the hazmat placards, and they're diamond shaped. I'm sure you've seen them. They come in different colors and they have symbols and numbers on them. And I find it's interesting to figure out what is inside that container, and I'll look it up. There's an app you can download if you too have nothing better to do than or curiosity gets the best of you. It's ERG, and you can plug in the numbers and it'll tell you what is in that truck. So just for instance, so that truck right there has a placard on the back, and I looked up what it was. So it's listed as methacrylic acid, and then once I find out what it is, I just Google, because I'm just curious, like what are these things used for? So that one is actually used mostly in plastic sheets, resins, things like that, and it's a colorless liquid with a sharp odor is what it said. So, and then it talks about like how corrosive it is and all these other specs on it. But sometimes I'll just Google to see what is that even used for. Yeah, I just find it's interesting, but other people probably wouldn't find it interesting, but that's what I do to entertain myself. Not that you would ever encounter an emergency with a truck that has one of those placards on it. But if it does, you can look it up on the ERG app, find out what it is, and it'll tell you how to handle like a spill or an emergency response, and how much like isolation, how much you need to protect yourself. It tells you all the protection that you need. It'll tell you if like some person is having problems in a truck like that, because they could have inhaled the chemical or something like that and pass it on to you. So that guide will give you all that information. It's just knowledge. Knowledge is power. Oh gosh, here we are on approach to Albuquerque. Next seasonal job. I feel like I just finished my last one. All right, here's lunch today. It's like 20 degrees and dropping. It's gonna be a cold one. So my poor banana, I had my window thing up, but it got too cold up there. It's frozen. And then that is my windshield, and it is frozen from the inside. It's from me breathing.